Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super cool portable sauna that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it once already, and I got to say that it works perfectly. And this thing, before I change clothes, because we're gonna try it one more time, because I think this one is a really good one for when you are coming from a long day of work after working out at the gym, some detox or things like that. This one can be really good. Some of the things that I do want to tell you about this one. So number one, as you can see, comes with a chair. So you can actually use the chair and sit inside and read a book or just like watch some TV or something like that. And then I'm going to show you how you can watch some TV in a few seconds. It also comes with a bag. The assemble process, assemble this one and also disassemble the whole thing is going to take you about 15 minutes, no more than that. Super, super easy. And this one is 71 inches tall. So I think for standing is good for people up to 5'10", like myself. I'm 5'10", and I can kind of like stand right here perfectly without any necessity of sitting. But for taller people would be, they will have to sit. A few more things about this, and before I turn it on, change clothes, and we come out for a test. This one also goes for temperature up to 130 Fahrenheit. It is 1500 watts, and you have 9 different levels. Some of the other competitors, they're not that high on the temp. They don't have that high watts. They also don't have like 9 levels, and it's really, really easy to use. So what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna close it out. Everything is ready. I'm gonna just close it. I'm gonna show you some of the other features. I'm gonna change clothes, and we're gonna go back for a quick test. And this is how I told you that you can watch TV if you want. So because it comes with a window, so this is kind of like gonna be the front side. You can open the whole thing and enter from any side, but I think that from that side it's better. But you have a transparent window that you can watch TV, or you can open it up a little bit if you need. So I'm gonna actually turn it on. This place you can actually put up to 3 liters. So you turn it on, and on the left you're gonna have the time. You can actually put it up to 99 minutes. Let's actually put 30 minutes. It's the max that I can take, but of course you can go a little bit further if you want. And then you have up to 9 levels. Let's set it to number 9 so it heats up fast. I'm gonna change clothes, and we're gonna go back inside so you can see better. So it is boiling already, and you can open it from anywhere actually, but we're gonna create like an opening right here. You wanna get inside. Ooh, this one is already heating up. It's been about, I want to say, the heating up part, it's been about 8 minutes, I think so. Hey, I'm over here. I think it's about like, it's been about 8 minutes or so, something like that. So it's reaching a really good boiling point. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to close it. By the way, inside you also have a pocket. So this pocket can be really good to put a book, to put like a remote controller or things like that. Always make sure that anyone or someone actually knows that you're getting inside and you're gonna be inside of this device. It is pretty wide. I have to say, I'm sitting over here and I have room to actually stretch my legs a little bit and everything. I'm sitting super comfortably. So let's stop the video for a minute, let it actually boil so you can see how much steam you can generate in about 10, 15, 20 minutes. I'm telling you, it's been about, I want to say 12 minutes or something like that. And you can see this over here. This is all just steam. Inside of this thing is all steam. I'm sweating so much already, and it keeps going. I mean, I'm just like trying to, but it keeps going. I think I'm gonna open the window just a little bit so you can see how much steam comes out. I'm right here. This is insane. Like how fast it actually did it and how fast it actually heats up and fills up everything with steam. So I'm thinking that probably this can be a really good thing for like a 25 minutes, 30 minutes. I don't think that I can do more than 30 minutes like Kate Winslet like this. Oh no, Jack, please. So this thing is, it's actually pretty good. It's big, 71 inches, 1500 watts with 9 different levels. It heats up really fast and really strong up to 130 Fahrenheit. And I gotta say that I'm pretty comfy right here, but I don't know if I can take it too much more. Like, I think I'm gonna just call it dips. It's been about like 15 minutes or something like that, and this is fantastic. I'm gonna just do 5 more minutes. Okay, 5 more minutes. I'll be back. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my God, it's been 2 more minutes since I say that. Okay, I'm done. I call it dips. It's been about like 20 minutes total. I'm all sweaty. I'm all, look at how much steam. Oh, this is cold. Ooh, that was a big shock. Whew. It's, yeah, this is all wet because of my socks. They're all wet. Okay, this is really good. I'm telling you, this is pretty easy to use, really good and convenient to have just in your garage or your living room or your home gym. I have the fan on. I'm gonna get a cold. This thing is awesome. Really easy to use, pretty convenient, and it works fantastic. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.